What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Chinasan Kid. Today, we'll talk about my latest purchase, which is the Mitsubishi Design Power Bank. Normally, hindi ako Mitsubishi fan until I bought my car, yung Mirage G4 2023 na model. Ayan. And recently, we've been traveling a lot. Na-experience ko kasi yung kapag kayo maliliit na power banks lang yung gamit ko. It does the job. It lasts for about a day. Especially yung dati namin gamit yung Romos na 20 mAh. Unfortunately, that's only good for 1 to 2 devices. And usually when we travel, meron sa aming around 3 to 4 people, especially long travels, ganyan. And not actually just the travels. Dito sa Cavite recently, nagkakaroon ng power outage due to heavy rainfall or yung orange rainfall. And very necessary kasi talaga yung power bank. Especially meron akong ring lights that can be powered by power banks. Actually, susunod bibili din ako ng converter, yung sinasaksak sa power bank para magkaroon ng power yung Wi-Fi din. Ayan. And, ayun. So, I was able to came across with the Mitsubishi Design Power Bank. I believe the brand is called Rapow. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, this is a 60,000 mAh power bank. Features niya include where is it? Okay, here you go. Meron siyang double lighting na flashlight, Type-C input and output, which is good kasi majority ng devices ko is Type-C. 4 USB output, which is good. And yeah, that's about it. Siguro yung inclusions niya, it says here, user guide, cord, the power bank, USB charging cable, and a user guide. Now, one thing I found when I was doing my research for this one before I purchased it, majority is nagkakaroon sila ng problema na mabilis daw ma-charge kasi mabilis din ma-drain. Now, the trick there is you have to drain the factory charge or yung laman niya talaga. So, you have to zero it out before you charge it para ma-maintain niyo yung quality ng power bank. Actually, not just for this one, but for other devices as well. Diba? Sometimes, when you purchase a mobile phone, a power bank, anything na may charge that you need to charge, you have to drain the factory charge first before you actually charge it. Ayan. Before I dig in to the power bank, I was able to buy this for 1,755 pesos in Lazada. Baka naman. So yeah, 1,755 pesos in Lazada. And I purchased this a couple of days ago. I'll probably link it. I'll include it on the description box on when I bought it, plus yung link kung saan ko siya na-purchase. And then, parang ilang araw lang, siguro 2-3 days, dumating na agad siya. Pagka pala dun sa Rapow, nung nakabili ako is meron siyang libreng Mitsubishi earphones na jack. Unfortunately, I won't be able to use it kasi wala naman jack yung phone ko, but I gave it to my papa or my dad para he can use it kasi he listens to music a lot and he watch a lot of YouTube videos. Ayan. So, without further ado, let's unbox. So, properly secured siya. Ayan, kung makikita ninyo, maayos yung box, walang dents and all. Ayan, and then, plus yung loob, meron siyang styrofoam na makapal. See? That's how thick it is. Ayan. And this is the actual, wow! Ang laki, ang bigat. Ayan. Ayan, so wala na siyang laman. Ayan. So, balik natin. Kligo tayo. Ayan. So, this is the actual power bank. Ayan. Meron siyang parang handle or pwede siyang isabit. And then, nice. Ayan. So, supposedly dapat nakaganyan siya. And this is the USB cable. In fairness, mahaba din siya. So, it will not, ayan. Ganyan siya kahaba. Okay na okay siya. Ayan. So, Type-C. See? Ayan. And then, ito yung USB port niya. And then, this is the user manual. It says here, metal power bank. Let's read through the manual. And this is the actual itsura niya. Ayan. Nag-blur ata siya. Ayan. So, 60. Mitsubishi. May nakalagay Mitsubishi. Ayan. Design, very sleek, black. Very minimalist, which is good. Wala siyang masyadong etche-breche, which I really like. Ayan. Tapos merong seal yung ano ba tawag dito? Parang monitor and all. Parang ayoko muna siyang tanggalin. Ayan. These are the flashlights, yung dalawang flashlight, and then the 4 USB ports niya. Ayan. Tapos dito nakalagay sa gilid yung USB Type-C input and output, which is nice. Ayan. And then dito nakalagay sa baba yung specifications niya. Ayan. Okay. And then that's it. Tapos yung ano lang niya, yung power niya na, or yung laman niya na 60,000 mAh. Ngayon, this is for the product appearance, ayan, meron siyang button. Asan yung button niya? Ito, here. Here's the button. Ayan. So, let's turn it on. Ayan. So, meron siyang 67%, which is working, which is really good. Ayan. And then, long press, turn off LED light. Asan yun? Ito. Ayun. This is for the flashlight. Nice. Yeah. So, you have to long press the on and off button to activate the flashlight. In fairness, ang lakas niya. Oh. Ayan. And then, it supports mobile phones, tablets, iPads, or whatnot. Flashlight, USB cable, which is this one. Type-C input, USB output, paulit ko ito sa Type-C. Kasi nakakita dito. And then, USB connector. Oh, where's that? Probably this one. Yeah. Okay. Now, charging instructions, this is very important. Use original USB data cable and connect micro USB to micro USB port on MF60. Mitsubishi, I don't know, probably. Mitsubishi metal power bank, whatever. Ayan, so again, simple as 1, 2, 3. Connect USB cable to USB port, charge, okay. Ito, may warning siya. Please pull out power supply after being fully recharged. Kasi I think for most devices, mas maganda talagang tawag dito, hindi siya now overcharge, parang hindi nasisira yung battery. Kasi not every device is high-tech na pagka na fully charge siya, i-stop niya yung parang mag-i-stop siya ng pag-charge. So for most devices, continuously charging siya, which nakakasira nga ng battery. Ayan. That's mostly it. Very standard naman yung user guide niya. Ngayon, I just need to check if all ports are working. So, ayan. Kasi may na-purchase akong power bank before na hindi gumagana lahat ng ports niya. So, let's test. Since Type-C din naman tong ano ko. Let's see if this works. Gumagana na siya. Parang hindi. I don't think it's charging. Wait. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong. Hindi kasi siya nag-charge, oh. Or baka kasi fully charged tong ano ko. Ayan. Sorry. Fully charged siya talaga. Kinabahan ako. So, for USB 1, it's working. It's charging. Ayan. And then, let's test the USB 2. Ayan. It's also working. Medyo kinabahan ako doon na sabi ko, baka mamaya kailangan ko i-solve ito. Ayan, gumagana din siya. And then for USB 3, wait, ayan, naka-off na. Yeah, it's also working. Ayan. And then for USB 4, yeah, let's wait for it to turn off. It's also working. Ayan. So, all USB ports are working fine, which is good. If you're asking me if worth it ba siya, siguro for the price point, yes. Kasi yung ibang brands na nakita ko would cost around 2,200 to 2,500. Meron pa nga ako isang brand na nakita worth 3,000 pesos for a 60 mAh power bank with mostly similar features. And then, yeah, so for the price point, yes, it's reasonable. In terms of durability, I have to test it yet because some power banks only lasts for about 1 to 2 weeks, tapos bigla nang, alam mo yun, ang bilis mag-charge, ang bilis din ma-drain. So I have to test this. I'll probably get back to you guys after a week or so maybe a week with constant use. Ito na yung gagamitin ko pang charge ng phone and all. Oh, by the way, if you're going to use the USB ports to charge your devices, please do not charge it at the same time. So, mas magandang i-charge nyo muna siya, and then once it's fully charged, 100% na, tsaka kayo mag-charge, tsaka nyo siya i-drain. Kasi nakakasira yun eh. Nag-charge kayo at the same time. Similar sa devices, diba? Sa mobile phone, you do not use your mobile phone while charging kasi nakakasira siya talaga ng battery. So, those are probably the simple things that you can do to maintain the quality of your device. So, ayan. So, I'll get back to you guys probably after a week. Mag-update tayo. I'll link everything on the description box if you guys are interested on purchasing this one, or if you've already purchased and used the Mitsubishi 60,000 mAh. Please comment down on the comment section. So, you can share your experience with using this power bank. Anyway, that's it for my quick review and unboxing. I'll probably test this out now. So, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment on the section box below if you want me to purchase and review certain gadgets that would be helpful for you in your daily use, as well as na pwede din yung magamit sa mga cars ninyo. Probably stock this cage dun sa Mitsubishi G4 2023 ko. Kasi I travel a lot, I go to the office a lot, para lagi ko siyang nagagamit. Ayan. So, again, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!